In this video, we are going to talk about ACI instruction. So the syntax for ACI instruction is ACI and 8-bit data. I'll try to explain ACI instruction with a simple example. Suppose, say I've loaded a data FFH in my accumulator. I've loaded another data B,02H in my register B. Now, if I perform add operation, what this will do is the accumulator will have a result 01 and it will also have the carry flag set. So now if I use ACI and then add any number to this, what this will do is this is going to add the accumulator value with this particular value and then also the carry here. So the maximum carry possible in microprocessor while processing two numbers is 01. So we'll add 01 too. Now this 01 plus 01 plus 01 becomes 03H. So the 8-bit data added with the ACI instructions adds the 8-bit data with the accumulator along with the bit in the carry flag, meaning the value 1 from the carry flag 2. So this is how ACI works in 8085.